Oh yeah, now do the old one. That's nasty. Welcome back, JDM fam. Today we're working on the 2IS. The 2011 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive, has new tires. Just made a video about it. They look great. But today we're going to be working on the wheel bearing. The driver rear wheel bearing right back here started making noise about a week ago. It's already got bad enough that it hums really bad. So we got the new one right here. We'll pull it out, let you guys see what it looks like. First, we need to jack it up. We're gonna start tearing it down. I'll show you guys all of the steps. Right here, we have the 4 wheel bearing bolts off in the back. Now, there's not much space, so I wasn't able to show you guys. Also, we did get the axle nut off really fast as well, so that is off. And as you can see, the caliper is off as well. Now we are working on actually getting the rotor off. Now, if it is in the rear, you do have to spin the wheel in neutral so you can find the adjuster and loosen the drum brakes. Once you get that done, then the rotor will slide off. You'll be able to get the rotor off. Then we can move to the next step. So we had to hammer it and it came off. To the wheel bearing. Nice. There we go. That's satisfying.
Look how rusted that thing is.
Oh,
not much play though, but there is play.
It was enough to make noise. And to rub, I'm sure it's rubbing like a mug.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, now do the old one. That's nasty. There's play in there too.
Oh,
That's disgusting.
That one there, the one.
Ready. I almost don't want to put the wheel over it, huh? Now, as you can see, it is basically put back together. It has the rotor back on with the caliper. The brake shoes are back in as well. Sorry I didn't show you guys that, but I did miss out on actually recording that part. Now we need to put the axle nut back on and the rest of the brake clips. It has a brand new wheel bearing with brand new studs, and it's basically done.
Come on, son. What you know?
It's fixed.
Yeah.
The shape's fixed. Yep. Happy about that.
You hear that?
That could be the brake. So after that, the wheel bearing was fixed, but the drum brake was scraping and making a lot of noise. So we went back in and checked it out. The drum brake was actually not adjusting by itself, and my bro did mess with it a little bit, and he got it to start adjusting again, and it was way quieter. It was basically just sounding like a scraping noise, and it sounds much better now. So after everything was fixed, we noticed that we had some lights on the dash. No surprise here, every time you do something or fix something, there's always something, a slight hiccup or something just really annoying that you might have to deal with, and this time it was the sensor. The sensor's broken, so we have that in the mail, and I will update you guys very soon when we find out if it actually fixes the problem, and I'm sure it will. I will make a separate video on how to replace the sensor as well. And I did look up on Reddit to see different tips on how to change the wheel bearing on the IS, and a lot of people say that they did break the sensor. It is old, so it's something that is probably going to happen. I already ordered the sensor. It should be here in a few days, so look out for the video, and I cannot wait to get all of these lights off of the dash. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Let me know in the comments below if this video helped you guys out, and if you guys are dealing with this on your IS, and I'll see you guys on the next video.